The trouble code DF091 in any control module in a Renault vehicle means that the electronics in your car can't see the speed of the vehicle or the speed of one of the wheels. There are several culprits of this code, but you can very often just clear it and drive further with no issues, or even ignore the code if you see no other issues. Here is how it works in most cases. One of the wheel speed sensors may have lost contact or just glitched for a moment. The ABS module immediately set the code DF091 since the vehicle could monitor the speed of one wheel, and also the code responsible for the faulty ABS sensor. But after some time, the sensor started working properly, and now the code for the faulty sensor is cleared automatically. But somehow the control modules in Renault vehicles remember this DF091 code for a long time. If you don't see any other codes and only see the DF091, you will need a good diagnostic scanner to clear this code, or just ignore it since it doesn't affect anything. But if you see other codes, the situation may be complicated. A faulty ABS sensor on one of the wheels, bad wiring and connectors, or ABS module problems may also trigger the DF091 code. And what's more interesting, it may sit in almost any control module, including the ECU. In this case, all the other codes are helpful and you can spot the actual culprit. The worst scenario is when the vehicle has lost communication with the ABS module. This may be a faulty module or a wiring problem, but in this case, inspecting and repairing the vehicle is quite difficult, so you will need professional help. The good news is that in the vast majority of cases, you will just clear the DF091 code and it will never reappear.